In this video, I will show you how to add tags to your YouTube video. So let's jump straight into it. So you can actually add tags to a video that you're in the process of uploading, and you can also add tags to videos you've already uploaded. Now, if you want to go ahead and add tags to a video you're going to upload, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right, click on to create, and go ahead, upload your video. So here we are. As you can see, the video is uploading. So what you can want to do is scroll down. Of course, you can add your video description just here, and you can add your thumbnail and playlist. Now, if you scroll down, there's an option down here which says show more. So if you click on to show more, and this is going to bring up some further options, what you're going to want to do is scroll down slightly, and you're going to see the tag section just down here. So as you can see, it says tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. So what you can do is go ahead and start adding your tags. So if you want to go ahead and add tags to a video you've already uploaded, from the YouTube home screen, you want to come up to your profile icon up in the top right hand corner, give this a click to bring up a menu, and click onto YouTube Studio. From here, what you need to do is come across this menu on the left hand side and click onto content. That's going to bring up all your current videos, and what you want to do is go ahead and find a video you want to add tags to. So let's take this one for example, and what you would do when you hover over the video, you're going to get some icons come up. You want to go ahead and click onto the pencil icon which says details. What it's going to do is take you into the video details, and again from here you would just simply scroll down past the description, past the thumbnails, and expand the menu. Then you can come down and you can see the tag section down here. So you can see some tags that I've actually added to this video. It's very easy to do. All you need to do is click and then just start typing to add your tags. Once you've added a tag, press enter on your keyboard, and that's going to add your tag. Now make sure you do come up and press the save button in the top right hand corner to save your tags. But that's a quick tutorial on how to add tags to your YouTube video. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.